Sunshine dancing on the front porch swing, fresh cut blooms and the birds all sing. Paper hearts and a little bit of glue, making pretty things with me and you. Soft blue petals and a summer sky, tiny stars painted way up high. Scissors sniping while the coffee brews, July joy in every hue. Oh, these colors feel like home. Every page a place to roam. It's red, white, and bloom tonight. Stars and hydrangeas shining bright. Layers, laughter, handmade dreams, sweeter than the summer breeze. Fill your card and craft along. Little moments turn to song. From the first cut to the final view. Red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue with you. Pad and paper stacked up by my side. Florals, flags, and summertime vibes. Ephemera and sparkle dots, creating joy with what we've got. A little cottage, bars and lace, happy memories we can make. Every card a love note too, wrapped in red and white and blue. Oh, this kit was made to share. Tiny pieces of summer care. It's red, white, and bloom tonight. Stars and hydrangeas shining bright. Layers, laughter, handmade dreams, sweeter than the summer breeze. Fill your card and craft along. Little moments turn to song. From the first cut to the final view. Red, white, and bloom with you. Red, white, and bloom with you. Hydrangea skies and sparkler nights. Craft room glowing, soft delight. Making magic one card at a time. This is our favorite kind of July. We're red, white, and bloom tonight. Stars and hydrangeas feels just right. Paper, hugs, and handmade cheer, the sweetest release of the year. So gather round and join the fun before these kits are gone and done. Every bloom and every hue, made with love from us to you. Made with love from us to you. Sunshine dancing on the front porch swing, fresh cut blue